Okay, so I'm Christine.
And I'm Desiree.
And we're going to show you our squishies. I don't know how many squishies we have, but I'll show you my first squishy. It's these. It's the pancakes. And I got this from Walmart for $7. So it's this one. It's a really good squishy. Next, my second squishy is this one. And it's a milk carton. Okay, guys. And then my third one. Here, you want to do this one?
Yeah. It's a hamburger.
And this
Smell
is hers. It's a piece of bread.
Try to give it to me.
Yeah. Why is it counting so fast?
And
this is not really a squishy.
I have one of these. It's a green one.
It's not even a squishy. And I love for bread. And I'm just going to be showing you mini squishies now because
that one's cute. It's like my brother and me. Next bread. Hello Kitty. It's kind of sticky. Look.
Because it's a good squishy. I don't know what this is, but I think it's a dessert.
So yeah. These breads go together.
And the next one is this random fish one. It's with flour icing. And
I have the emoji.
And then our next, and this is a random heart.
So.
Okay, and next is this bunny. But if you put it upside down, it looks like a tooth. We didn't know what it was. And then
This is a Squishy Delish. Got it from Target.
The mini ones I got from a packet off of Amazon. We only have 4 more left to show you guys, so I'll show you. Okay, so we have 2 bear ones. I have this bear one.
This one's so soft. This one's the
Green.
same one as this one.
And I have this crab, and it's dirty because it was at the bottom of my bag. But and then we have that one.
What?
And
Mom was filling the toilet. I mean the toilet, the trash can. And then I have this bread. I think it has chocolate.
Okay, guys. Well, that was the end of our video. Hope you liked the short video of squishies. Yeah, guys. And she has 2 fidget spinners.
I had a lot more.
She has like this one, and this one, and some more.